Do Yesu wo sorry afọ fi breno say ya mitre Easter no ya Joy FM wo mo e wo bia ya hodo a wo mo a wadi dem ana say aka akra wa brabo mo no wono wo mo ehia to nsa didie mo mo hunu say ampa yenso gya wo mo ho no friend say Joy FM Easter soup kitchen na afidie no na say Weija bia ya kwatafo wo no ho na ne ono mo kokodi say adwuma de ati say Adom Kasee abo ansem no efri best enfie aduonu nie na Joy FM e di Easter soup kitchen ehyehyeswo person fie num ni die na wo mo ene kayeyefo na eye enso nei wo mo adane mu a wo di Easter soup kitchen no ekohyehye so e wo Weija Leprosarium woni sabi yenuanom a wo yare kwata na ekopie mu e wo honom Joy FM adwumayefo ekọ honom a woni yenuanom a wo mo yare kwata ekodi asa eto dwom osanso ma wo mo aduane eye wo mo adoye pii Jumedi na se ena mama vi owusu ene Father Andrew Campbell ya wono ena ye penimpa wa da lepers aid committee ano etwetwe enkomo no wodi tudwa se ade ba ko wo mo a eyare kwata ehia pa eyese enipa binum etete won ho efiri won ho senti ewo sasa ade no wojai ewo mayimu sebayi a wo mo a eyare sa ya de yi obetimi ate wani ahwe wo mo eyi enchiremu a wodi tudwa eni.
Actually, everybody here has a sad story. A tragic story, a horrific story. You know, the way they've been treated is awful. The way they've been stigmatized. The way they've been stigmatized over the years is awful. For this little girl, we sent a team up to Wa to distribute food. And in their distribution of food, they found this little girl. She was abandoned. The family have abandoned her. The mother ran away. The grandfather said she's not human because she's leprosy and he wanted to do rituals. So they just abandoned her. We took her here and we've had to bring her to so many doctors since she came here. One being a psychiatrist because she wouldn't talk. She just talks a little. She's learning how to talk. But she was so traumatized the way they treated her up in the north. She wouldn't talk. She wouldn't smile, wouldn't do anything. So we had to bring her to a psychiatrist to see what can we do to help her. And then she had leprosy in her left leg here.
Right.
And it started from the foot upwards. And it was affecting her. So we had to have it amputated about 2 months ago. So she's really suffered. We still have to bring her to the hospital because both of her eyes are affected too by leprosy.